Hello, and today's project is using the Sweet Storybook, which is a beautiful stamp set with some lovely little images and a coordinating thinlits. We're using the Stamparatus and we're going to use the Toadstool today. So with a piece of Whisper White cardstock and using crumb cake, we're going to ink up the image and stamp it down firmly. I've put all the pieces together today on the Stamparatus because it makes it easy to use. And so with another piece of Whisper White cardstock, we're going to just remove one of the plates and put the other plate in. I would do it all on one, but for camera I'm turning it round so it's easier for you to see. And we're going to ink up in the crumb cake again the lovely little mice which come as a pair. And then turning the plate around and just turning the cardstock round, we're going to stamp the little flower images 3 at a time in the real red. And we're going to use the hinge step stamping by moving the plate down one hinge so we can stamp 3 of the little flowers. Now this is the easiest way to be able to die cut them out all together. There are 3 lovely little dies, and if you position the dies 1 at the top and 2 at the bottom, and then die cut them through the big shot, and then just swap them around, you can cut out all 6 in just 2 passes of the big shot, which saves a lot of time. And the lovely little mice, the thinlet cuts it out in 1. So we're going to colour the toadstool in with our blends. And I'm going to use the light crumb cake and the green to just add a little bit of colour very quickly and simply to the toadstool. The blends are beautiful to use as they colour in very quickly. You can put some highlights in by using the dark crumb cake as well, but for this I just wanted a very simple little bit of colour. Now the top of the toadstool we could colour in, but there's also a stamped image for the toadstool which I stamped out in real red and just fussy cut round to just put on the top. This is a very easy way to not have to colour it in. And then the little mice are the 2-step stamping. So you have the inside parts which I just stamped in the Sahara sand, and fussy cut out one of the little mice because I wanted to position him just on the top of the toadstool. Now the floral foliage, which I showed you in yesterday's video, cuts out and stamps twice. It comes in just one piece, so it's very easy to stamp the 2 foliages, and then the die does exactly the same and cuts out 2 separate pieces. So I'm just going to put one of this round the side and position the little mouse on top of the little toadstool. One of the lovely pieces I like about this particular set is the framelit, which is a little rectangle which is great for just stamping out sentiments. And I chose a Happy Birthday Gorgeous from the Beautiful You stamp set. Now on a piece of Tranquil Tide mat, we're just going to position the card down. And you can see now this is quite a nice simple card. But to finish it off and to just add a little pop of colour, we're going to put the 3 little flowers on, just sort of randomly placed across. All the details will be below as in the description box. And thank you so much for watching me, and I do look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye!